how to rotate a video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, S24, S23. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the gallery app, and here I will go back to my home screen in the gallery app, and here tap on camera and then open up a video. Next tap on the edit button, then tap on the crop button right here, and at the top there is a rotate button, so you can tap on that to rotate your video. Down here, if you tap on straighten, it will also allow you to slightly rotate your video like that. And that's it. After that, tap on the save button to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.